Hey friends, welcome back. We just came back from our first camping trip in this autumn. This time we went to Upper Canada Migratory Bird Sanctuary by the St. Lawrence River. We wanted this trip to have that easy vacation-like feeling. So we choose somewhere that is close to home, easy to plan. Actually, we were at the campsite for 7 days. We didn't move anywhere. This is also my very first time having a campsite with 2 services. I have to admit, previously I was pretty not interested in campgrounds because I think I get a trailer to go somewhere remote, go somewhere that normally I cannot be there. But boy, this trip made me realize how lovely campground is. There's no stress for water, no stress for dump station or electricity. Everything seems so much easier than our old style of camping. We even had time and energy and the mood to exercise, to work out. I don't know why Phil thought this is a great idea to warm up on a picnic table. Traveled with us was our guardian of the Aistream, the Spider-Man, who is just a very big spider. She caught a huge moth the first night at the campground. She lives in our broken kitchen vent. Hopefully we can get the vent fixed up soon. In this trip, I also wanted to test out my new gadgets. These gadgets are about laundry. First is actually just a salad drainer. How would you call this thing? We got it from Costco. I used that to wring out excess water and it worked like a charm. I also got a clothes rack and a portable dryer. Let's talk about the dryer first. It's very small, compact. It's more like a small hair dryer with a breathable bag underneath. Depends on the material of the clothes. I can dry 2 to 3 quick dry t-shirts or 2 quick dry pants. But if it's cotton, I will probably only put a 1 piece there. The clothes rack is somewhat flimsy for outdoor use. You have to be really careful if it's windy. But I got it for the purpose to use indoor. For example, at night when we have to find a place to dry the wet towel. We've been putting the towels on the TV or monitor in the Aistream, which I don't think is very good for the screen. And this one is perfect for the Aistream size. I put that in the living room. I can still squeeze by. During the daytime, I can set it up in the bedroom, so it's fully out of the way. I always say a camping trip without s'more is a camping trip not worth going. So this is a major thing when we go camping somewhere. Upper Canada Migratory Bird Sanctuary. As the name indicates, in the right season, this place is packed with migratory birds. And this is the very reason why we chose this place. We had so much fun birding here. It's the first time I've seen so many great egret together. In our checklist, I think it was 14 of them. They have a great biking trail system here. I think next time we would bring bikes and try to come here in the spring migratory season. The marshes, the ponds, the forests, and of course the river. I think the birding scene would be spectacular.